Well, here we are at Barsby Park. Not too sure what's under that big tarp, but I'm sure it's a tent. I just don't know if it's the one I like or a new one. Man, that's a big tarp though. Holy shit. Hopefully it doesn't form a big mess under it. Anyways, came down here for a little New Year's video. First 5 days of New Year's, well, just before New Year's it started. We got non-stop rain. I was back in videos before, you've been down here. It's normally not like this. Hope everyone had a wonderful New Year's. Stayed safe and all that good stuff. I like it when the water comes up. Shows what sheer force can do. Wouldn't want to fall in there. Go over here and have a quick look. Yeah, summertime, people go sit under those trees. So I can tell at its peak, there's water back here. That's probably this morning. Hasn't rained for few hours now, so got nice sunshine, but now these clouds are coming back, so hopefully it doesn't rain again tonight. Yeah, so at one point it was running down there too. All freshly exposed gravel. There's the rush of that water, eh? Well, Happy New Year, everyone. I'm gonna go over to Bowen Park and have a look around there. If there's something worthwhile shooting a video, I'll shoot one over there too. Everyone have a great day and be safe.